Hi everyone, so I'm wanting to talk today about how to make it in the media. Now, I'm actually giving a talk on this subject at Ice blog at the beach event in Leeds soon, so I thought I'd give you a sneak preview of some of the things I'll be talking about. Now, one of the things that I always speak about is really to find your own purpose in the media. So why do you actually want media coverage, and what story do you want to get out there? Now, a lot of people tell me they don't have a story to tell, and actually everyone has a story to tell. But again, not everyone wants to listen to everyone's story. So you've got to make sure that the story that you want to tell is as condensed and as interesting as possible. Now, a lot about your story, a lot of it is about the order. So if you're pitching, whether it be a press release or you're pitching an idea, my kind of general rule is to think about the news hook at the top, the thing that will grab people's attention. So rather than think, oh, hi, I'm Sophie Maylan, I'm a journalist, blogger, vlogger, blah, 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 I'm multi-award winning, and I'm here to celebrate the launch of Evoke Media Group's new service, Blog Up North Network. Now, as much as that might be interesting to me and exciting to me, to the general public, that's not that interesting. That's just me telling you about myself and without any kind of knowledge or interest. So what I'd say with your story is start with the top line. Out of that story, what would people say first? Do you know, if you're talking about a news item in the pub, you wouldn't say about the football. There's this award-winning footballer, Harry Kane, who's done this and this and this and this. Oh, and did you see that he scored a hat-trick? You'd say, oh my gosh, Harry Kane scored a hat-trick at the weekend. So it's just looking at the top line and making it as interesting and relevant as possible. So for us, it might be influencer marketing is growing by whatever percent this year, and as a result we've set up this to help you get the best coverage and to also help influencers to make it in the north of England. So it's really turning things on the head and finding the hook. And it's, if you're not sure what the hook is, maybe there's something relevant in the news that you can hook on to, so you might have an opinion on. So it doesn't even have to be a big hard news story. It can be as trivial as the royal wedding, for example. I cannot count the times I've spoken about the royal wedding, and now I'm no royal wedding specialist, I'm no wedding specialist, and other than sometimes filming weddings, there's no relevance to my business. But because the royal wedding in recent times has been such a topic of conversation, I've ended up giving my opinion as somebody who works in the media, but also somebody who blogs about being mixed race, as Meghan Markle's also mixed race. So there's lots of different hooks you can really think about to help yourself get in the media. But I'd also say it's important to have a bit of a strategy. Now, media, you can't always have a total plan and a total strategy because you don't know what the news is from one day to the next. But what you do want to do is make sure that you're not oversharing all the time. So you don't want to be sending out press releases every single week, because if you've not got a story to tell, then don't tell it. Yeah, help people out. You know, if journalists are looking for stories, you can find some interesting ones on #JournoRequest on Twitter, but help them out with their stories or with their regular features. But sometimes sending news out without a purpose can be more damaging than anything, because people get fed up with you. And actually, if you're there to help people out with their stories or even put other people in the right direction, it's all about building those relationships. So I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a teaser about what I'll be speaking about at Ice, and I'll make sure that I film some of the event as a vlog, so you can hear the full story. And if you are an influencer actually, you can also sign up still to blog at the beach. It's still totally free, and it's run by Ice Lolly, the holiday company. And I can't wait because I love the summer sun. So I'm hoping it's going to be a nice sunny day, and we'll be able to celebrate the best things of the blogging, vlogging and influencing world. See you later.